Hello everyone. In this video we will be talking about the Delphi trial update. Here we go. Monday's difficult testimony included the viewing of unsettling crime scene photos as investigators described what they found near the Ground Zero investigation area, exchanges between Testy and Times as Allen's defense challenged the handling of evidence and questioned investigators about branches found on the girls' bodies. Tuesday's session started with additional testimony from Brian Olay, and lead crime scene investigator on the case. Several key pieces of evidence were brought into the court. Each piece was contained within a brown paper bag and was not physically shown to the jury. The evidence included Hostler blue jeans, tie-dye shirt, gray sweatshirt, Sonoma brand pink underwear, black and purple socks, pink sock, green headscarf, blackened faded glory spaghetti strap shirt, Converse tennis shoes, 40 caliber Smith & Wesson cartridge, collection of strand of material found between fingers on Abby's right hand, strand from Abby's left arm, Libby's phone, black Nike tennis shoes under Abby's body. The items were either collected from the creek or recovered from the crime scene. Other evidence included swabs taken from various parts of the girls' bodies, arms and wrist. One swab was blood from the tree and taken approximately 4 feet above the ground, while others were of blood found on the ground near the girls and nearby trees. Investigators also swabbed Libby's phone, and also grape assault kits were completed and turned over to the police. Evidence from the autopsy included a black hooded sweatshirt with the words Delphi Swimming and German on it, size extra large blue, jeans with blood on them, gray cotton bra, pink sleeves, shirt, and black bra with red stains. This was shown in the evidence, but not to the jury. Abby Williams was wearing blue jeans and sweatshirt. Investigators said the clothing belonged to Libby German, meaning Abby was wearing her friend's clothes. Defense attorney Brad Rossi cross-examined Olay. He asked multiple times if the swabs contained DNA connecting Allen to the crime scene. Olay said he was not aware of any connection between DNA and Richard Allen. Fox reporter Max Lewis described Rossi's approach as aggressive. Rossi asked about the sticks branches found on the girls' bodies and questioned Olay about the bullet evidence and shoe impressions. He asked about the time of deletion, with Olay telling him it was imprecise science. Of the branches found on the bodies, Olay said he believed someone placed them there to conceal the bodies. Rosie also asked Olay believed the sticks were there to communicate, which Olay answered negative. He also said he had not observed man-made cut into any of the sticks. He said since Abby was wearing some of Libby's clothes, it was logical assumption that Libby was disrobed. He said investigators were not able to determine where the event occurred, and that that investigators didn't test the sticks found with the girls. Olay told Rossi he wasn't aware of photos of the ground after the bullet was removed. Rossi asked Olay if he agreed that he did a poor job of documenting the bullets. In my opinion, I think that this attorney seems very argumentative. That led to an object from the state, one of many during Rossi's tough cross-examination. When he asked if he wished he'd taken more photos, Olay said no. During his redirect, Deputy Prosecutor James Luthrill asked how many items of ammunition were found and packaged at the scene. Olay said there was only one, the unspent bullet at the center of the state's case. At one point, Rossi referred to the cartridge as a magic bullet, leading to another objection. Judge Frangull sustained it, calling the characterization improper. Rosie, during another redirect, again questioned Olay about whether he wished he had been taken more photos. Olay also told the court that there were no signs of defensive wounds on Libby. Jurors summoned a handful of questions, asking about the method of collecting and sealing the evidence. They also asked how the bullet was collected and stored, and whether the undergrowth under Abby's body appeared to be disrupted. Olay stepped down at 10:48 a.m., leading to a break within the testimony set to resume later. Bridge guy witness takes stand. After jurors saw the video pulled from Libby Gurman's phone, showing the infamous bridge guy, several witnesses took the stand who were out walking the trails and crossing the high bridge on the day the girls vanished. Riley Voorhees was 16-year-old Delphi high school student back in 2017 when she was out walking near the Freedom Bridge. She described seeing an unsettling man near the bridge who glared at her. She did not recognize the man and said he wore a mask up to his nose. When somebody wears a mask, it is a bit difficult to tell who they are, I do think. When shown a blown-up photograph of the bridge guy, Voorhees said, "That was the man I saw on the trail." Voorhees described the bridge guy as wearing a black jeans, black hoodie, black boots, and black mask. Claimed the man had a bigger build, estimated him to be 20 to 30 years old. Voorhees admitted her memory may have been impacted by the photo of Bridge Guy released by police during the investigation into the murders. Betsy Blair took the witness stand. Next to Blair said he had been out walking the trails on February 13, 2017, and also saw an alleged bridge guy. Blair also saw Abby Libby during one of her many loops while walking the trails. After learning of the girl's disappearance, Blair spoke to police who wanted her to help them create a sketch of the man she spotted near the bridge. She said the man had brown, poofy hair, described him as looking younger. She didn't recall him having facial hair. Blair told the jury she was roughly 50 feet from the bridge guy and claimed she thought, due to his posture, that he was looking for someone. Due to both witnesses bringing up the composite sketches, Allen's attorney broached opening the door, end quote, on bringing the sketches back into the trial. Judge Gall previously ruled that the sketches aren't admissible in court. And this is some news, a new update about the Delphi trial, and this is already taking off very heated back and forth to see if this defendant that allegedly did these crimes is really responsible for this. And I'll continue to update you all how this continues to go, and thank you for watching. You could comment if you have any thoughts on this.